Hello, my name is Tina, and let me welcome you to the video presentation of Creating Abundance, True Harmful Myth about Creating Abundance. This is written by Rishan B, and this video presentation is presented to you by attractingabundancehq.com. Creating abundance has become a hot topic of discussion of late, especially since the release of The Secret. Along with all the discussion come a couple of harmful myths. In this article, I'll dispel all those myths. If you follow the advice in this article, you'll find your work with creating abundance so much simpler, flowing, and helpful. Unfortunately, if you continue to play by the rules of these myths, your whole task of creating abundance can be much harder than it has to be. In my experience, creating abundance should occur from a place of ease, peace, and flow. Anything that detracts this from this state creates resistance. Resistance causes stress and struggle and blocks off this abundance from flowing into your life. Myth number one: you need to think positive thoughts all the time. From my personal experience and those of my clients, this is just not true. It's unrealistic to expect yourself to monitor and censor the thousands of thoughts that flow through your mind each day. The task is just impossible. In addition, if you buy into this myth, you may find yourself disapproving of yourself whenever you do think a negative thought. This causes even more resistance. It's a bad cycle. To escape this dreaded cycle, simply choose to let go of disapproving of yourself for having negative thoughts. Allow those thoughts to be as they may. Sure, you'd prefer to only have positive thoughts, but disapproving of yourself or trying to change what is counterproductive. Instead, set aside small periods of time throughout the day in which to imagine your goal as completed. Through those set times, focus on the positive and develop the feeling of already having what you've been wanting. As you continuously apply yourself during these set periods, you may find that your habitual thoughts naturally shift to being positive. This occurs without conscious effort during your off time. Myth number two: you can attract basically anything right now. This is tricky one. The truth is, energetically and vibration wise, you really can attract anything you desire almost immediately. Nonetheless, so as to match up your vibration with what you want to attract requires a certain level of belief. Unfortunately, no matter how much we could consciously force ourselves to believe something, our subconscious mind may have other ideas. This is simply a reality of having grown up in the world around us. Again, there's no use fighting or resisting it. Simply accept it as it is and work with it. Start off by attracting smaller goals, which you may have a higher level of belief you can accomplish. As you begin to attract those into your life, so your overall belief in this process will grow and you can shoot for bigger goals. This is the art of creating a positive belief spiral. Those who are far away, the two biggest and most harmful myths when it comes to creating abundance. Your next step after reading this article is to become aware of how you are creating resistance whenever you routinely think unfavorable thoughts. Next, decide to let go of that resistance. Creating abundance is your God given right, and with the help of this article, you should be on your way to attracting anything you desire. These are my resources. My website, http:// attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life by going to this link, http:// attractingabundancehq.com/video dash reveals dash step by step dash blueprint dash for dash attracting dash anything dash you dash one slash how to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff, Jedi mind power skills, or years of practice. Guaranteed. This is the link http colon forward slash manifestitalltoday.com manifest anything And lastly, effortless abundance blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success at http colon forward slash effortlessabundancesite.com. Thank you, and I hope you can create abundance by dispelling those myths.